Hi friends, welcome you all. Welcome to my channel. This is Krishna. So Corona, after getting Corona and after getting recovery from the coronavirus, what will be our human life? That's a lot of information we are getting from the different resources and of course different media also. But as of now, with the central government of India, so they clearly informed what will be the life that we can say. So what kind of disease they are going to face? They are going to get affect with the coronavirus after recovery. That we will see in detail now. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now and hit that bell icon so to activate the future notifications, and whenever I upload the video, just you can watch directly. And we know up to now the coronavirus symptoms like getting cough or cold or getting feverish, like that we have that symptoms right now as per the WHO information. But even without that symptoms also, around 83% of the people they are getting the coronavirus once if they go for the testing. But after the recovery, I can say after the getting the cases, you can say positive, so they are taken to the hospitals and they are going for the treatment. But 80% of the people they are getting recovery, and only very fine, and you can say acute health care persons only require the emergency, you can say the ventilators and isolation. But remaining all are getting normal and they are recovering. So what will be the human can say the body for the persons who recovered from the coronavirus? So you can say, for example, if you take the polio. So polio is one kind of disease which came earlier and it is went already, but it made us to unrecoverable damage. So that we can say we cannot recover our, for example, like our arm, can say hand or leg. So if our body has got polio disease, so it's unrecoverable damage to our body. So that's the kind of the effects what we faced. But what will be for the corona? So after getting corona and after recovering the corona, so is it safe? So if you consider that point, especially the central government research point of view, with what they informed, what they disclosed, so they're going to get the new kind of disease called new type of diabetes they can get, and they will become like a fatigue and depression, and even they will go for the lethargy, you can say the laziness. So these kind of the effects they are going to face. Along with that, so there is a majority of the human body organs like lungs, like a heart, and even liver. So these are the major organs which are going to affect the persons who got recovered earlier, already recovered. So but this is going to be differ from person to person. That depends upon the type of personality and of course the age also getting more effect of the COVID-19. So that depends upon the personality type. It may vary. It is not thing to get panic actually. So that may vary from person to person. It does not mean that everyone will get the same kind of effects for the heart or liver or to any kind of disease like that. Now it's not mean that. So it is only to get the awareness. So as we can say that the correct information is better than known information. So the same way, so the intention of this video is to make aware. So after getting the corona and after getting the recovery of the corona, so it is not the thing that so we recovered completely and everything will be go in fine way. No, it is not the case like that. So you have to be careful at least for 6 months. If there is no such kind of side effects, then it will be very happy. And of course, even after that also better to have we can say in the precautionary way, and better to have the healthy food and so healthy environment. So then better even to interact with the doctors, so where you got treatment. So that will make you to, that will help you to improve further and so making for the healthy life. So this is what I want to share in this video. So if you like this video, please press the like button, and please share with your friends and family members to get aware of this information. And most importantly, don't forget to write the comment, and very most importantly, make your day as a great day. Thank you very much for watching this video.